What's up, guys? So today we're a brand new belt. It's inside this box, and I haven't recently opened it. So today I'm gonna open it right now. So let's go, guys. Let it open like that. And then it's like packaged already inside the thing. And as you guys can see, it's the same belt that I have. First one. Just put it on like that. It's the same exact belt, like this one right here, the Undisputed one. It's about the Echo Road has now. So I'm gonna add the side plates on the belt right later on, or some other time. Add it on there. And now I'm gonna open the belt. Get these out of here. Ooh. Oh brother, it's all clean right there. As you guys can see, the Undisputed WWE Universal Champion Replica. The same belt as this one here. Now I have to unzip it now. Oh wow, so fancy. Oh, it's all fancy. Holy. It's only wrapped in gold. All that. So you wrap it up right there. Like that. See all the gold. Like that. So if you guys can see it right there. Oh shit. Oh no. Take that one too, get rid of that one. There you go. And as you guys can see, this is the Undisputed Universal Championship belt. It's one that's like all gold, and it looks all clean and nice right here. The same exactly design as this design and all of that, so it looks pretty sick. And then the belt's like that, how they wear it at the shows. It's like kind of heavy. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of heavy. So they wear it like that. They like bucket up and all of that. And or like people that have it at the shows, they either like wear it like that, or they can wear it like that at the shows for their pictures. So it looks pretty slick. And then sooner or later, I'm gonna add. Right now I have the side plates of these two side plates, but I'm gonna add the side plates onto these for the side plates later on to like remove them, to remove the side plates with the screwdriver too, so I could have my side plates on the belt like that. So yeah, I'm gonna add these onto here for later on. And yes, and I'll definitely be taking this Replica belt to WrestleMania 41 next year in Vegas for either for night 1 or for night 2 for WrestleMania 41. And yeah guys, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks. Subscribe.